Okay, so I have already recharged 2 batteries twice, and now my battery just died again after 17 minutes. I know I have a big backyard and it has grown up, you know, way more than I would like it to be, but it's not a jungle and it's not like it's a stadium sized backyard. So I still have the whole backyard, the whole back part of my yard to cut, and I'm on the 3rd charge of the day. So this is probably going to go back because I don't have time to keep stopping and recharging. I also switched to mulch because I had to keep dumping the bag. Felt like a million times, but anyway, I like the mower. Is just not very right. It's not right for my yard and for me. I hate the outside and I hate lawn work. So it's gonna go back so I don't have to keep stopping and recharging and stopping and dumping.
Okay, here's my Greenworks 80 volt battery showing, after about 4 months of ownership, battery showing red and will not operate in the device. So, and I got 2 batteries with this set with a 21-inch mower, not to mention a weed whacker that I got. So this battery is ruined or broken or overcharged or otherwise doesn't operate. Now we're gonna go out here to where I have the number 2 battery. It's in my 21-inch mower. And we'll confirm here that charge anyway, this is charged. You can see 3 lights. Okay, now see how long this lasts. Now, you see, I was going to be happy to be an ambassador for this great company, but you've cheated me, so now we're not going to be friends.
It's basically been less than 5 minutes since the lawnmower arrived with the bag, and the accessories are all inside the bag. This was a kind of a second chance purchase, you know, someone returned it or else it had been mishandled in shipping or whatnot, but so far it looks like there's not hardly a thing wrong with it. So for paying almost half the price originally and just taking a chance that it was ruined, even though it had been backed up and returnable by Amazon anyway, I think so far so good. I'll add on to this if something else comes up. It looks great. Thanks, Amazon.
Greenworks, literally, I love you. Okay, yeah, my yard's not that impressive, but I'm barely sweating, and I did this whole yard area, but what's most impressive is right down here. I basically used that little Greenworks as a bush hog. It chopped up all of this, literally, with no effort. I don't do reviews, literally, not like this. Greenworks, I love you. And now I'm wondering what would have happened if I bought the one where you could put 2 batteries in it. Feel free to send me one. I've got a front yard too. This thing, literally, this thing is my favorite thing I've purchased, and I can't even tell you when. Oh, amazing.
Okay, fully charged. Keys in. Try that again. Okay, 3 beeps.
like a year after I got it. Just pulled the battery off the charger. It does absolutely nothing.